I'm studying in 9th grade. Today my topic is social project. Natural disaster. What do you mean by natural disaster? Any catalyst tropical occurs by nature or natural process of the earth. Types of natural disaster. Tornado, drought, tsunami, volcano, flood, earthquake, blizzard. Tornado, a violent rating column of air up to 300 meter per hour of air. Drought, a period of time where is little or a number of rainfall. Tsunami, a large wave occurs by earthquake, volcano in the ocean. Volcano, a hole in the earth crust swim like lava, air, lava gas and ash. Earthquake, strikings of road occurs by the movement of the stripping. Flood, the lake steals and river overflow. It rains so much even the land can absorb the water. Thank you.